YouTube, what's happening? I got it running, y'all. I just needed to get my baby home. So I got it running. At least for now, I'm going to take her around the block for a second, see how she drive a little bit. It's been a long time since I had it running, so I'm going to see what I can get her to do. She's jerking on me a little bit, but I'm going to see what she do when I go around this block for a second. Give me a second, y'all. I was so surprised she started up for me. I was thinking it was an issue with my what you call this thing? Fuel, my fuel filter. Y'all forgive me. What's up? Hi now. Just got it. Underneath the tire. I'm trying to get her. I gotta remember. Yeah, I took it to another guy. Oh. He redid it for me.
So you gonna put the interior back in it?
I'm about to put the whole car back together.
Tonight?
Nah.
Oh, I was gonna say.
Nah, not tonight.
When you get it back?
Today. Just got it back today. I had to have, he messed me up. It still got some parts on it. It still got some parts on it, on the doors. That's kind of wavy on both sides. I hit you back, y'all. My apologies, y'all. But yeah, that joker running. She got to burn off a lot of this mess that's going on in there. So once that happens, we'll be in the money. I got hose lines that came loose. I just got to go back through this motor, y'all, and make sure everything's straight with it. And I just noticed that I got to relearn my shifter. I'm glad I had that stopper in the front because I was going the wrong way, y'all. That's probably why I've been struggling trying to push this thing. So, but I'm gonna run around the block real quick, see how she driving, and then I hit y'all back, all right? YouTube, what's happening? This is CJ the Detail Guy. Just back with another quick little video. I got my car up on the lift. We're gonna get a good look at this frame, see exactly what happened. This the side over here that has the putty in it. This the side that they just recently did, that I still gotta get fixed. So, if you can see and know what you're looking at, you see this piece here? He put the frame notch on there. Instead of him welding it on there, he hammered it over it instead of welding it. Up top, if you can see that piece right there, up top, this piece here, he didn't even trim it to fit the frame. So therefore, he didn't even weld the top half of it. The top half of it wide open. The whole top up here is open. You can look at the bottom of it, and you can see certain parts of it that's still gapped. Y'all see it? Even here, when you look at it, these are holes. These are holes. This is body putty and what you call seam sealer. Y'all see that part right there, that slit right there? He cut the frame, put a piece back in it, but didn't weld it right there. Y'all see that? So frame is just open. Can y'all see? Look at the welds, a bunch of doo-doo. You can see the hole right here. There's a hole right there, y'all. All the way up this whole side of the frame is holes. see that? See that? Open up there. The top half of the frame still wide open. All the way to that back, still open. Now let's go look on the other side. Start at the back of it. Let's start right here on this corner. Y'all see this piece right here? Y'all see that? That's not even welded, y'all. Not even welded. Y'all see that right there? A whole hole. Look up through the hole. Can y'all see that? That's body putty up in there. Fiberglass. Because he fiberglassed this section right here. See it? That's a hole. That's a hole. I got my finger inside there. Now all this right here is fiberglass. All of this. That's a whole hole right there. Y'all see that? Holes all the way up my frame, y'all. All the way up my frame. See that? This part right here. All that's body putty. I can knock a hammer right through that. Same thing on this portion. You can see it. Gaps and holes with seam seal on it. All that got to come off. All that got to come off, y'all. Terrible. So he butchered my frame. So on both sides. So I got to get that redone. I don't know. Look at the bottom of my car though, y'all. Been sitting in there so long. Look at all this body dust all over my frame. It was brand new up under here. I had brand new cutouts. Brand new cutouts. That G-force cross member going across. Look at everything in here. Just nasty. Hopefully I can clean some of it off with some degreaser and stuff like that. But he just chopped me up, y'all. So I've been peeling off some of this stuff, man, because the way he was jacking the car up, it started peeling my undercoat. So I'm gonna peel it all off and then I'm gonna redo it. So, but that frame, that don't make no sense. I had it nice under here too, y'all. Nice under here. But anyway, this CJ the detail guy. Just letting y'all see some of what I'm dealing with this car. Gone. YouTube, real quick. I took a little chisel to it just so y'all won't think I was playing. Look at that whole hole in my frame. I knocked the body putty up in it, but body putty, y'all. Instead of welding that closed, body putty. Whole thing is gapped. Ain't that something? Just thought I'd show y'all that. The CJ the detail guy, I'm out.